Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Irma Adristi Kalilah. I am a grader of Al-Chusnaini Islamic Junior High Full Day School. And today I will talk about friendship. As we know, humans are social creatures. In living this life, humans will need someone, and the meaning of the word need is to help each other. Therefore, humans in social relations must respect and appreciate each other. This friendship can make from a group relationship. Nowadays, friendship doesn't only occur through direct or real social relationships, but can occur through social media such as TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, or even short WhatsApp conversation. In the past, friendship can only occur through real social relations. With the advent of electronic sophistication, the inventors of TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram make a friendship more than a relationship, so that we can make a friend not only with someone we know directly, but with someone we don't know. So friends, we make a friend with whoever it is. Don't just think of friends as playmates. Friendship is a situation where we can establish a good relationship with someone we can trust. When establishing a relationship, we must not differentiate between these friends. Friendship can shape a person's character in any aspect. This has a big influence on each of us. This has both good and bad impact. The positive impact is that we can help each other, and the negative impact is when there is someone in the friendship who just want to be a parasite and doesn't want to cause division. With friendship, we can find a true friend. Therefore, we must create a healthy friendship. So, I want to give you some tips for make a healthy friendship. First, maintain communication. Second, trust each other. Third, be honest with each other. Fourth, always be there when needed. And the last, not be selfish. Okay, all my friends, this is my opinion about friendship. If you want to join me, come to Al-Chusnaini Islamic Junior High Full Day School. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye friends!